Hi, mommies! Here today, ito na yung ating regular homemaker look. Walang makeup, naka-duster, no? Nasa bahay lang. I received this kit from Wise Cleaner. Yung Wise Cleaner, mga DIY siya na gamit panglinis sa bahay. Like dishwashing, laundry, detergent, add water. You mix. And then, pwede mo nang gamitin. It's really good for those na magnenegosyo kasi you can make this at home tapos i-repack mo kasi kasama na din dito yung mga plastic packaging na ito. Ito yung pinaka-concentrate. Imimix mo lang siya sa tubig. Tapos, you wait a bit and salin lang dito sa mga plastic bags. So, kung may sari-sari store kayo dyan, no, sa inyo, you can sell this for a profit. So, ang galing, di ba? You can get this on TikTok or Shopee. Lalagay ko yung link sa Yellow Basket at tsaka yung link sa Shopee. For those na gustong magnegosyo, the kit comes with plastic packaging and sticker labels. This is the 16-liter DIY dishwashing liquid kit. 1 liter na ang concentrate, so we only need 15 liters of water. Mix it well, then let the solution rest for 3 hours para mawala ang bubbles. Then, you can start packing. Sasalin na natin ang ating nagawang dishwashing liquid. Pagkatapos mag-pack, lagyan ng stickers, and taran! Pwede na kayong magbenta. Madaling gawin at extra income pa sa family. Kaya order na! So what are you waiting for? You order na, you start your business, or you can just use this at home. Makakatipid ka. Tubig lang kasi. Mura lang to, tapos you just add water. Ang dali-dali pang gawin.